Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Amazon is hiring for financial analyst intern. Job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Let us check the job description first. They have given about the organization also. So Amazon.com Inc. is a US-based multinational electronic commerce company headquartered in Seattle, Washington. Amazon.com started as an online bookstore but soon diversified into many other categories with a vision to be Earth's most customer-centric company and to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online. Amazon has websites in over 14 countries and launched the Indian marketplace in July 2013. Now here is the job description. Are you looking for an opportunity to kickstart your finance career in the exciting and fast-growing e-commerce industry with one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world? Are you excited about combining your financial skills and accounting knowledge to uncover new business opportunities? Are you a CA student having cleared IPCC in the first attempt with 12 to 18 months of articleship period left? If your answer to these questions is yes, then joining the Amazon India team as a trainee is the opportunity you have been waiting for. We are hiring industrial trainees, financial analyst interns across multiple teams in the Amazon India organization. The selected candidates will get an opportunity to work closely with business and finance leaders to produce and deliver financial analysis that would facilitate decision making. The candidate would be working with key stakeholders in one of our various business lines, to name a few: e-commerce marketplace, Amazon.in media and advertisement business, Prime Video, FinTech, Amazon Pay, logistics, Amazon Transport Services in functions such as internal audit, business, finance, accounting, financial planning and others. Let's check the basic qualifications for this role. Pursuing CA, cleared IPCC in first attempt, available to intern with us for 18 months, possess good communication skills, high attention to detail and knowledge about the industry, exceptional analytical skills, proficiency in MS Excel and accounting principles, work location Bangalore, interested candidates, CA aspirant with 18 months of articleship completed, preferred articleship experience around statutory audit, accounting, internal audit and analysis, proficient in Excel and having good communication skills for stakeholder management. And here are the preferred qualifications for this role. Pursuing CA, cleared IPCC in first attempt, available to intern with us for 12 to 18 months, possess strong communication and leadership skills, high attention to detail and knowledge about the industry, exceptional problem solving and analytical skills, proficiency in MS Excel and accounting principles. If you are eligible for this role, you can apply by clicking on Apply Now button. And then after logging into your Amazon account, you have to fill this application form where you have to fill your basic details. And after that, you have to review the application and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.